Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do a quick voiceover of this look I did on Instagram a few weeks ago. I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro Primer Oil for this. Just rub it all on the face. You can apply as much as you would like to. If you've got dry skin, maybe a little bit more. And if you've got oily, a little bit less. But we want to make sure we're hydrated. For colour corrector, we're going to be using Benefit Erase Paste. And we're going to apply a little bit underneath the eyes, around the mouth and on top of the lip. This is to avoid any darkness around that area or your foundation looking grey. So it's a really good tip if you've got any redness, greyness, darkness around your mouth and under eyes. So we're going to use the Revolution Pro foundation drops for foundation, and we're going to put it all over the face. Enjoy my smiley faces, and we'll just put that on and blend it in with a beauty blender. Going straight into contouring, we're going to do the forehead, cheeks and nose, and just going to be blending that in with a brush. I like doing cream contour because you can control how much product moves around and to blend it seamlessly. For under eyes, always like to pat it in with a beauty blender just to get that flawless finish. And add a blush of your choice. I'm going with a lipstick today just to show you that you can change it up and to give you that sort of flush. Or you can use a cream blush, it's up to you. The best thing to do is to blend it in across the face to give it sort of a natural flush. And just blend it in how you want and make it as dark or light as you want. And that's it. It's just a really quick tutorial. I just thought it was fun to do, and here's the final look. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.